Hello everyone! I'm so excited to show you this Ogden Refashioned. I made this out of a dress that had been in my closet forever that I actually got secondhand. It has some cute ruffle straps and a beautiful white eyelet fabric, and I just think it is so sweet and adorable for summer. It has, of course, I had to line it because of the eyelet. I decided to refashion this dress because the eyelet had a lot of snags in it, the underarms were discolored, but I just loved the cute eyelet fabric and I thought it would make a great Ogden. Here I am doing my handmade happy dance. It was a super fast refashion because I just used the original hem of the dress and of course the original straps. And I cut the Ogden. I got as much length out of it as I could while still avoiding the snags in the eyelet that I was talking about before. So the length is just kind of where it ended up, but I kind of like it. Here's a closer up look of that adorable eyelet trimmed hem and the fun ruffled straps. These actually have an elastic in them, which is interesting, but I just chopped them right off of the old dress and stuck them in the hole for the Ogden. I didn't really remeasure them or anything. It turned out pretty good. And underneath you can see that the lining is from the original dress as well. So as I said, this all came together quickly. I didn't have to do any hemming or anything. I just sewed up the side seams and that was that. So great refashion, and thanks for joining me. Happy sewing! Bye!